part of the state is being taken over by wild hogs. Not only can these animals be dangerous, they're costly, eating and trampling everything in sight. Now, it is open season on the animals. News 13's Selena Westervelt is live in Roswell to explain.
Kim, 4 years ago, feral hogs were found in just 3 counties in New Mexico. Now they've invaded more than 17 and are quickly becoming one of the biggest threats to this area's crop and livestock. Now the USDA and Game and Fish are encouraging people to shoot wild hogs on private property on site. They are the ultimate omnivores, feasting on fields, small livestock, and spreading disease. Now, thanks in part to dry conditions and booming populations, the wild pigs are pushing closer and closer to people.
They're increasing because they reproduce so easily and exponentially. They have high numbers of litters, and a lot of those make it.
An adult female has 2 litters a year with about 8 piglets per litter. The animals feast on everything from lizards and frogs to farmers' crops.
They go in and dig up the ground with their snout, and so they root up crops, they eat the roots, they eat the plant themselves, and then they root around equipment, water areas. They can mess up roads.
Besides the economic damage, another major concern is disease. The non-native wild pigs carry a form of rabies transmittable to people and animals. They spread a bacteria called swine tuberculosis. If cattle catch it, they can't be sold.
That is one of the main reasons why that we are very concerned about them. That disease can be transmitted to livestock, which could be an economic loss to people.
Feral hogs in Roswell are found mainly along the river and likely migrated from Texas. They were also brought here in the early 1990s for commercial and sport hunting. Hunting feral hogs is legal in New Mexico, but organized hog hunts are not. Wildlife officials I spoke with today say they would like to see the pigs wiped out in the state altogether. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Selena. Now, people do eat wild pigs. The USDA says if you do plan to do so, you do need to be extra careful because of disease. If you kill one on your property, you should contact Game and Fish so it can be tested.